In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to ClickUp from a fresh browser, find the time tracker, choose the right task, and log your hours either with a live timer or by entering them manually. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. You'll see the official ClickUp website at the top of the results. Go ahead and click that link to open ClickUp. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you're logged into your workspace so you can access your tasks and time tracking. Once you're in ClickUp, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the time tracker. It's usually represented by a small timer or stopwatch icon. Click it to open the time tracking panel. This panel is where you'll control timers, view recent entries, and add hours. Next, select the task you want to track time against. You can choose from your recently viewed tasks or use the search field to find exactly what you need. Picking the correct task is important because it ensures your hours are accurately tied to the right work item, which helps with reporting and billing later. With a task selected, you can start tracking live. Hit the Start button to begin the timer. You'll see the clock counting up while you work. This is perfect for capturing real-time effort. If you need to step away, pause or stop the timer and resume when you're ready. A quick tip: adding a short note while the timer is running can help you remember what you did during that block of time. If you prefer to log time after the fact, you can type your working hours manually. Choose the same task, then enter a duration or set a start and end time. This method is helpful if you forgot to start the timer or if you're logging time from a previous day. Keep your notes clear and consistent so your team understands the context of each entry. When you're done entering the time, click Save. This confirms your time entry and adds it to the task's history and your overall time log. Double-check that the task, duration, and any notes look correct before saving to avoid revisions later. That's it. You navigated to ClickUp, opened the time tracker, selected your task, tracked live, and added manual time when needed. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.